Welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial and we are learning how to download the IQ Option application on your iOS device. Whether you are new to trading or just switching devices, getting the official IQ Option app on your iPhone is super quick and easy. First of all, open your App Store from your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now from the home page of your App Store, tap the search icon at the bottom and type in IQ Option and search. Look for the IQ Option Trading Broker application from IQ Option Europe Limited and tap on the Get button or the cloud icon. Now authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password, whichever way is prompted to you. And the download will begin. Wait for the application to install. It'll take a few minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Until it downloads, let me tell you what IQ Option is. IQ Option is a beginner-friendly trading platform that lets you trade Forex, crypto, stocks, and CFDs all in one clean and easy-to-use app. With a free demo account, simple charts, and fast navigation, it's a great place for new traders to practice, learn, and explore the markets safely before trading with real money. After the application installs, tap on Open. Now you've successfully downloaded IQ Option on your iPhone. Now you can go ahead and register for a new account or log into your existing account, or you can also use the social accounts option to sign up easier and quicker on IQ Option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.